channel. This is Mervice. I hope you guys are having a great day today. And today I'm coming up with another of my unboxing videos, of course, for BOXYCHARM. So I have my box right here, and as you can see, I have full on makeup on already. So that means I have just played with these products right here. I have been doing these videos for a while, so if you're curious to know more about past boxes or unboxing of other boxes, I'm gonna leave you a link over here so you guys can check it out. And yeah, so I just don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to start right away showing you the products. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you the products, talking about them, and then also show you a clip of me using the products that I received today. The only thing is there are two products that are skincare that I have not yet to use, so those I'll probably tell you about them on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me there, you might want to follow me there. The name is Mervice Smith. It's linked down below for you guys if you want to follow me. And yeah, let's just start with the box. I have the products right here, like I said. And then I have the card over here, and this is the card we get every month with the details on the prices of the products and also the theme of the month, which this month is Alter Ego. So nice card, right? Anyways, guys, I'm going to start showing you the two products that I didn't get the chance to try today. And the first one is this one that I have right here, and this is a face mask. This one is by the brand Dermovia, and it's called Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I have seen some like demos on Instagram, on BOXYCHARM's Instagram. So I have seen kind of how it works, and it looks like it's going to be amazing. So I'm really excited to try it. But to be honest, it's not something I'll try today because my skin has been a little bit sensitive. So I will be worried to try a peel off mask for the first time that is a medium intensity. So I'm going to try it later. And like I said, I'm going to update you on my Instagram or on my social media. I'll also have Facebook and Twitter, even though I don't use Twitter very much. Maybe I should, but I don't. Anyways, and this one retails for $30, and I don't know if I said the brand, but the brand is called Dermovia. So very, very interesting product. And I'm going to pass to the next product right away, which is this one I have right here. And this one is by the brand Pharmacy Beauty. Retails for $22, and it's called the Green Clean. So this is a makeup melt away cleansing balm, and I'm gonna be honest, I am super excited about this product. Though it's not an expensive product, I just haven't gotten the chance to try a good one, and I've already heard some people talking about this one, and they're saying that it's really good. They're comparing it to the cleansing balm from Clinique. And then there's another one from the brand Zero, I think it's called, which is like a Korean brand. That's the one that I've been looking into, and I was just going to buy it until I realized that we're getting one in BOXYCHARM. So I'm gonna leave that one on my wish list for later, and I am going to try this one to take my makeup off today. So I'll probably let you guys know today on my Instagram how it worked. And yeah, so this is one of those balms that you just rub it in your, sorry, I had to smell it, okay? So you just rub it in your hands, rub your hands together and rub it on your face, and it melts away your makeup. It's something that is amazing, that is good, and that you can use even if you have oily skin. It's not going to make you more oily just for the fact that it's an oil. This one smells pretty clean. I will say even smells kind of green, even though, can't lie, I can't smell that well because I had a cold not too long ago, so I'm still kind of getting over it. But anyway, it smells good, and I'm really excited to try it. So now I'm going to pass to the other products that I did get to try today. So I started by using this product that comes in this box, and this is a face/eye palette, and it is by the brand Pure Cosmetics. I think it's Pure, right? So it's called the Midnight Masquerade Face Palette, and as you open it, you will see that we have the face products over here. We have 3 blushes and we have 1 highlight, and then we have 6 eyeshadows. All of them are shimmery or metallic-ish. Only one of them, which is the brown color right here, that's the only one that is matte, but everything else is either metallic or kind of shimmery-ish, like I said. So today I used a lot of the face products. Like, I think I used all of these 4 products, but I didn't get to use all of the eyeshadows because I don't know, I just kind of felt like it was calling me into doing a blue eyeshadow look, but I just did one with my last BoxyCharm, so I was trying to do something different, and that's why I ended up with this look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm probably showing you a demo right now, or I might even do this time a little mini tutorial on the side if the video is not too long. So if that is the case, I'm gonna show you right now before I pass into my next product. Alright guys, and the next product that I got in the box, it is this one I have right here, and this one is by the brand It Cosmetics, and I was super excited to try this one because I am almost running out of my good mascara, the one that I like the most, which is a Tarte mascara that I got on a previous BoxyCharm. And I was looking forward to trying a new one or maybe getting a different one to try, and I was excited when I saw this, especially because I've heard a lot of good things about it. This one is a Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Retails for $24, and as you can see, I only applied one coat, and I think it looks really nice. The only thing is that I think it feels a little too wet, and when they're like that, what it does is kind of separates my lashes. Not that it separates them necessarily, but I feel like it clumps them into little groups, so I feel like it looks like I have 5 lashes. 5 thick lashes. I don't know why, so I'm not so sure I love this, but I gotta say that since I use this eyeliner by NYX, this like a glittery liner, it made my lashes already kind of clumped, so maybe this had to do with it. So I'm gonna have to try it again later with another makeup look and see how it looks, but I'm still excited. I feel like it does make my lashes pretty long. My lashes are super curly, which is a reason why they, like, I look like I don't even have that much lashes, but I think this is a mascara that actually helps because it definitely lengthens the lashes a lot, and that helps. I even saw some of them that weren't that curly after applying the mascara, so like I said, I'm super excited to try it. And now I'm gonna pass to the last product that I received in my box, and it's this one that I have right here, and this is a liquid lipstick by Kat Von D, one of her famous liquid lipsticks. This one is in the color Hawkwind, and I'm wearing it right now, even though for this look I felt like it was a little too much, so I applied a little bit of this Smashbox lipstick that I received in a box maybe 1 or 2 months ago. So I applied a little bit in the center on top of the Kat Von D, but the Kat Von D lipstick is nice as well. I've always been wanting to try one of her lipsticks, but I'm a sheep. Like, I can't spend, let me see how much it is. $20 in one lipstick. I mean, I don't care how good it is, especially it's a matte lipstick, which is nice, but it's not my favorite formulation. So for me, I'm not gonna pay $20 for a lipstick. I doubt it. Actually, I thought it was even more expensive than that, but it's nice, you know. It feels nice. It feels very thin, the formula, but it is a little dry, and I can't lie, it's not as nice as having a lip balm or having a hydrating lipstick like the new L'Oreal hydrating lipsticks, I forgot the name, or lip balms or whatever, but it looks nice and it's something that I would totally wear, and the color is really nice for me. Honestly, I can't complain because lately BoxyCharm has sent me lipstick colors that I really use and that I really appreciate. The one last month I totally loved. This one I was a little bit on the fence, the Smashbox one, but it is really nice. I mean, it is very light, but it's perfect for me to put it on top of other matte lipsticks, so I love that. And before I make this video 100 miles long, that is the end for the products that I received this month. I do want to mention a couple of things to you before I end the video, and one of them is to tell you what my favorite product of the month was, because I always like to do that. And I can't lie, and maybe I am, I don't know, but I have the feeling that I'm gonna love this. I'm super excited to try it, so I don't know if I'm gonna love it, but just the fact of getting it and having the chance to try it, it's something that I love. Then also the Kat Von D lipstick, I'm not sure I love it. I'll have to try the color more, but I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder here, and it looks nice. I can't lie. I mean, I think it's definitely a lipstick that I wear especially at night. To go out at night, I like to wear matte lipsticks so I don't have to worry so much about reapplying. Then the palette, I definitely love the blushes. I'm in love with blushes lately. I even probably overwear brushes a lot lately, so I really like that. Even though this blush right here doesn't really work as a blush for me, but I can use it probably on top of this one. Like, I already swatched it like that and it looked nice. And then the eyeshadows, honestly, they're nice. They look nice. I don't love them. I feel like I already have those colors, but you know, it's nice. And if you don't have much makeup, I think it's something that is nice to have, and probably even nice to travel. The only thing, you're still gonna need another palette with matte eyeshadows that you can use for transitions, because as you saw in the demo, I had to use other another eyeshadows to be able to do my crease. But I think they perform pretty nice. As you can see, looks nice. I think my makeup looks nice, right? You let me know. Then the mascara is a yes. I do like the mascara. I know I'm gonna love it. I'm not super picky with mascaras, to be honest. I do not like when they're super crazy. It makes me my lashes look like fake lashes, because I don't like fake lashes. But it's okay if you do. It's either way, it's amazing. And yeah, I think those are my favorite. I don't know about the mask. We'll see how that works. And let's see. Yeah, those are my favorite. Before I end the video, I do have to tell you the value of the box. So let me calculate real quick.
24, 30, I'm so excited to do this video. Can't breathe. 20, 22. So, okay.
Alright guys, so this month the value of the box is $134, which is nice. I think we always get over $100 worth of products. If you've always watched my videos, you know I always say that, but it's amazing, okay? I can't lie. And yeah, I mean, it's $134. You pay only $22 a month to receive this box, which I didn't say at the beginning. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like always, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel if you guys want to keep watching more videos. If you guys love makeup and beauty and anything like that, please consider subscribing. Also hit that bell button so you guys can be notified when I post something. I promise I'm gonna be more constant posting my videos. I have a lot of content right now that I'm planning, that I have already recorded, that is coming out, so keep up with that. And thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
Alright guys, so I decided to just put the tutorial at the end because I wanted to be able to explain you a little bit what I did with the palette. I'm starting with the color Cocoa Taxi from my Alamar Cosmetics palette, which is like a yellow mustard color, and I'm applying it on my crease just as a soft transitioning shade, because this palette I feel like is lacking that, as I told you before. And then I'm going in with the color Sneak Peek, which is a brown color, and I'm applying it on my crease, outer corners of my eyes. And then I decided to also go in the kind of like the inner corners of my eyes to do a halo eye. And I'm going to blend it with my Alamar Cosmetics blending brush. Both of the Alamar Cosmetics products that I'm using, I received it on past BOXYCHARMs. If you have watched my videos, you probably saw it before. So I'm just making sure I blend as much as possible. And then I'm going in with this color called Guantanamera, which is a little bit reddish. And since the palette has also like purple colors, I wanted to play with it. So I'm just trying to blend with it as much as I can. And then I'm going in with this concealer from Tarte, and I'm just trying to do a halo eye. Like I told you, I'm not expert in that, but just trying to see how it goes, you know. this is it. Just kidding. I'm going in with this green color called Mask Off, and I'm applying it, as you can see, just tapping it on my eyes. And this is to get the most pigmentation possible on my eyes. And then I'm going to blend it in with the same blending brush from before without any color. I'm just trying to blend the colors together so the line doesn't look as harsh. And then I'm going in with this liner by Butter London. I also received on my BoxyCharm. Just doing just a nice little line. Please forget my hair. I'm having really bad hair days lately. So I'm going in now with this color called Disguise, which is a purple color. And I'm applying it in the lower lash, almost getting into the inner corners, but not really. And then using the color Reveal because I wanted it to be a little bit more purple, so I decided to go in with that blush in the lower lash. And then I wanted to play, so I'm using this NYX eyeliner, which clumped my lashes, but hey, looks nice, right? So I'm going in with this, which is supposed to be a blush. For me, it's a highlight. It's called Enchantment. That one is peachy, so I went on top of it with the color Twilight, just to play with, all the colors here. And then for blush, I'm applying Hidden Secret, which is a really nice coral, like deep coral blush. And then finally, I am highlighting my face with the color Twilight again, which is a nice highlight, as you can see. Applying it also on my nose, and then finally going in with my Superhero mascara, which doesn't look as good just because of the NYX eyeliner, but it's really nice. And this is the final look. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Thumbs up, and I will see you again on my next one. Love you. Bye.